Hello, in this video I will show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into HOTWAV Note 15 Pro. So you have to start by opening your SIM tray, and then you have to pull out your SIM tray, and now you have to place your SD card and SIM card on your SIM tray like this. And now you can put back your SIM tray into your device. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.